so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
Welcome back to another morning in a day, and as you can see, I've got waffles. One thing I've done differently this time is I've actually put cinnamon into the waffle. I don't know why I didn't think about doing that before, but let's give it a bit of a go. Yeah. I don't know why I didn't think about it. Bear in mind, I love cinnamon toast, so I don't know why I didn't think about doing this. Amazing. I do get a lot of questions all the time about my waffle maker, so I will leave it linked below. But I think the link takes you to the normal one and the deep filled one. Mine is the deep filled one. That's the one you need. That's why it makes kind of like waffles that are easily an inch thick. And this is on a dinner plate, and it literally takes up the entire centre of the dinner plate. It's like that. It's like huge. It's like huge. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat this, and I'll see you a bit later. Afternoon, guys. Now about 12. I'm having something quick because I'm gonna pop out in a bit. So it's what I've got is some leftover pasta from yesterday. Our fridge, we've always got some sort of leftover. Like I've got leftover fajita in there, I've got leftover bolognese in here, I've got leftover sausage pasta in there. So leftover bits of everything. But just warming some up for my grandson, so we thought I'll have that as well. So yes, that is lunch today. I already know what I'm making for this evening, and I don't think I've made this in a while. So, yeah. So, it's a weekend, so it's got to be something nice. Something a bit special, a bit fake-away-ish. I'm saying? See you in a bit. Good evening, guys. So I'm just in the middle of cooking the curry. You would have seen this curry before, except normally it was I've done it chickpeas and tofu, just chickpea curry, chickpea and spinach curry. But this is just a chicken one this time. I'm running a little bit late tonight. Been out shopping with Shannon this afternoon, and while I was out, they had McDonald's, and I had mozzarella bites. I don't know why, but I've been craving a McDonald's for a little while, but I wasn't going the full McDonald's thing. I thought, no, I'll come home, cook my healthy curry, I'll do that, but I just wanted to eat something. But that's okay, I had the calories for it, so that's not a problem. Yeah, so I'm going to carry on cooking this, and show you what it looks like. Yeah, so I have got enough calories left over for something else little that I picked up while I was in Asda. Yeah, so if I do decide I've got enough room for it after the curry, then I will show you what that is. But I'm going full out on this. I mean, no poppadoms, no. Naan, mint yogurt, no writer. I'm not going to bother making it. I just take a bit of natural yogurt and mix through some mint with it. Mango chutney, you know, full proper takeaway. That makes sense. So yes, I'm going to carry on cooking this and I will see you a little bit later. Good evening, guys. I nearly forgot about you. Look at me. I've been lying on the sofa watching Mr. Robot. I don't know if you've seen that. It's about hackers. Really, really good. I forgot. There's the other half of my chocolate muffin because one of those is like 400 odd calories. So I only had calories left for half. So yes, half today, half tomorrow. So that's it, guys. I will leave a screen scroll here. All I've had today, how many calories. And yeah, that's it. I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.